Finishing off group break number CNC 1114, we got a 1112 limited and a 1112 ultimate. Start off for the Minnesota Wild, Danny Heatley, base card number 299. Danny Heatley. Johnny Bauer, number 9/49 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Johnny Bauer. For the banner season for the Vancouver Canucks, Ryan Kessler. Number 19/299, Phenoms rookie auto Carl Klingberg for the Winnipeg Jets. For the Dallas Stars, number 299, Jamie Benn. For the Calgary Flames, ooh, that's pretty. Number 6/25, banner season prime jersey, Jerome Iginla. Jerome Iginla. And for the New Jersey Devils, number 199, Martin Brodeur, crease cleaners. And the box of the Ultimates. We have a patch. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Ron Hextall. Ron Hextall. For the Nashville Predators, Matthias Ekholm. Matthias Ekholm. Autograph for the Philadelphia Flyers, Sean Couturier. Sean Couturier. And for the San Jose Sharks, number 34, oh, I pulled a Jeff, damn it, of 100 debut threads patches, Harry Sateri. Harry Sateri. There you go. More coming up right after this.